Ever feel like navigating the world of credit cards is like trying to decipher an ancient scroll? You're not alone. With so many options out there, each promising different rewards and benefits, it can feel overwhelming. Today, we're going to cut through the noise and focus on one institution, Patriot Bank. Specifically, we're diving deep into their core offerings and answering a crucial question: what are the four main Patriot Bank credit cards? Now, Patriot Bank might not be the first name that pops into your head when you think of major credit card issuers. However, for those who bank with them or are looking for a more community-focused financial institution, their credit card options can be quite compelling. Understanding these options is key to making an informed decision that aligns with your financial goals and spending habits. Before we unveil the four main contenders, let's take a moment to appreciate why choosing the right credit card matters. It's not just about having a piece of plastic in your wallet. A well-chosen credit card can be a powerful financial tool. It can help you build a positive credit history, which is essential for everything from securing loans and mortgages to even renting an apartment. Many cards offer rewards programs, allowing you to earn cash back, travel points, or other perks on your everyday spending. Some provide valuable travel and purchase protections, offering peace of mind. Conversely, the wrong credit card can lead to high interest rates, unnecessary fees, and even debt if not managed responsibly. So, as we explore Patriot Bank's main credit card offerings, keep in mind your own spending patterns, your financial objectives, and what features are most important to you. Are you a frequent traveler? Do you prioritize cash back? Are you looking for a low-interest option to help manage existing balances? These are the questions that will guide you to the right choice. All right, let's get down to it. While Patriot Bank's specific credit card offerings might evolve over time, based on their common product structures and what's typically available from similar institutions, we can identify four likely main categories. It's important to note that the exact names and specific features might vary, so always check Patriot Bank's official website for the most up-to-date information. However, understanding these general categories will give you a solid foundation. The first category we'll explore is the Patriot Bank Secured Credit Card. Now, the word secured here is key. This type of card is typically designed for individuals who are new to credit or are looking to rebuild their credit score. How does it work? Well, unlike a traditional unsecured credit card where your creditworthiness determines your borrowing limit, a secured card requires you to provide a security deposit. This deposit acts as collateral and usually dictates your credit limit. Think of it as a safety net for the bank. Because they have this deposit, they're willing to extend credit to individuals who might otherwise be seen as higher risk. The great thing about a secured credit card is that it offers a pathway to building or rebuilding credit responsibly. As you make timely payments, Patriot Bank will report your activity to the major credit bureaus. Over time, positive payment history can significantly improve your credit score, potentially opening doors to unsecured credit cards with better rewards and benefits down the line. The Patriot Bank secured credit card likely comes with a modest annual fee, if any at all. The interest rate might be slightly higher than some other cards, but the primary focus here isn't rewards or low interest, it's credit building. If you're just starting out or trying to get back on your feet credit-wise, a secured credit card from Patriot Bank could be a valuable first step. Moving on, the second main category is likely the Patriot Bank Classic or Standard Credit Card. This is your more traditional, unsecured credit card. Unlike the secured card, you won't need to put down a security deposit. Instead, your creditworthiness, your credit history, credit score, income, and other financial factors will determine your eligibility and your credit limit. The Patriot Bank Classic or Standard Credit Card is probably a solid, no-frills option for everyday spending. It might offer some basic benefits, such as fraud protection and online account management. It's less likely to have a rich rewards program compared to some of the premium cards we'll discuss later, but it could offer a competitive interest rate, especially for those with good credit. This type of card is a workhorse. It's reliable for making purchases, both big and small, and if you pay your balance in full each month, you can avoid interest charges altogether. It's a good option for individuals who want the convenience of a credit card without necessarily chasing rewards or fancy perks. It's a straightforward financial tool. Our third category brings us into the realm of rewards, the Patriot Bank Rewards credit card. This is where things get a bit more exciting for those who like to earn something back on their spending. Rewards credit cards typically offer points, miles, or cash back on purchases. The specific reward structure can vary significantly. The Patriot Bank Rewards credit card might offer a flat rate of cash back on all purchases, e.g., 1.5% cash back on everything you buy. Alternatively, it could feature tiered rewards, where you earn more on certain categories of spending, such as groceries, gas, or travel. For example, you might earn 3% cash back on dining and 2% on gas, with everything else earning 1%. These rewards can then be redeemed in various ways, such as statement credits, direct deposits into your bank account, gift cards, or even travel bookings. The value of these rewards can vary depending on the redemption method. Often, travel points can offer higher potential value if redeemed strategically. Keep an eye out for potential annual fees associated with rewards cards. Sometimes, the value of the rewards you earn can outweigh the annual fee, but it's crucial to do the math based on your spending habits. If you don't spend enough in the bonus categories or don't redeem your rewards effectively, a no annual fee card might be a better option. The Patriot Bank Rewards credit card is likely aimed at individuals who use their credit card frequently and want to be rewarded for their spending. Finally, our fourth likely main category is the Patriot Bank Travel Credit Card. While a rewards card could include travel benefits, a dedicated travel credit card often takes things a step further, focusing specifically on perks that appeal to frequent travelers. The Patriot Bank Travel Credit Card might offer rewards in the form of airline miles or hotel points, often with transfer options to various partner programs. This can provide significant flexibility in how you redeem your rewards for flights and accommodations. Beyond the rewards, travel credit cards often come with valuable travel-related benefits. These could include things like travel insurance, covering things like trip cancellation or interruption, lost luggage, or emergency medical expenses while traveling. Airport lounge access, providing a comfortable and convenient space to relax before or between flights. Statement credits for travel purchases, such as airline fees or hotel stays. No foreign transaction fees, saving you money on purchases made abroad. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.